Welcome to Tech Lab by Sid. Today, we are stepping into the world of SAP Product Lifecycle Management.
6 months of designing, testing, and improving and X is finally ready.
Every product begins with an idea, but transforming that idea into a successful product requires hundreds of decisions, documents, approvals, designs, and teams working together. Managing all this information efficiently is the purpose of product lifecycle management.
Manufacturing blueprint mismatch detected.
Latest approved engineering drawing unavailable.
How can every department be working on a different version?
As products become more complex, engineering drawings, specifications, bills of materials, and technical documents often exist in multiple locations. Without a centralized system, departments may unknowingly use outdated information, leading to delays, quality issues, and production errors.
So everyone is working on different data?
Exactly.
SAP Product Lifecycle Management provides a single, centralized platform where all product information is stored, managed, and shared. Every department works from the same trusted source of data throughout the product's lifecycle.
Every product begins as a material. Documents must be approved before production. Specifications define your product. They are not. Every component must be accounted for.
PLM organizes product information using specialized business objects. Materials identify products, documents manage engineering files, specifications define technical properties, bills of materials describe product structures, and engineering records ensure every product change follows a controlled approval process.
When every department trusts the same product data, innovation.
I understand now.
By connecting engineering, manufacturing, quality, procurement, and documentation within one platform, PLM ensures every team works with accurate, consistent, and approved product information. This improves collaboration, reduces errors, accelerates product development, and supports successful product launches. Now, let's understand the various terms.
Specification management stores the complete technical identity of a product. It manages physical properties, chemical composition, works with standardized product specifications. Recipe development defines how products are manufactured in process industries. It manages ingredients, formulas, quantities, process steps. A bill of materials defines the complete structure of a product by listing every component, subassembly, and quantity required for manufacturing. Document management system securely stores engineering drawings, CAD files, manuals, certificates, and technical documents, reps, approvals, and complete document traceability. Engineering change management controls product modifications through structured change requests, approvals, revision management, and engineering workflows before implementation. Engineering records organize engineering activities, approvals, and product releases, while change records maintain the complete history of every engineering modification from request to implementation. The classification system organizes products using classes and characteristics, enabling efficient searching, grouping, reporting, and variant management. Property trees organize technical information, while phrase management standardizes technical terminology across specifications and compliance documents. Label management automatically generates product labels using specification and recipe data, while WWI reports create standardized regulatory documents and multilingual reports.
Guided structure synchronization compares engineering and manufacturing product structures, identifies differences, and synchronizes them to maintain consistent product information.
Variant configuration enables configurable products by combining characteristics, dependencies, and business rules to create multiple customer-specific product variants. Product compliance verifies regulatory requirements before product release, while SAP Engineering Control Center integrates CAD applications with SAP PLM, synchronizing.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more SAP concepts explained through stories and real-world analogies, make sure to subscribe and explore the channel.